So we don't have the working member right now. We're just telling you guys some skills.
আমাদের কাছে এই মুহূর্তে রানিং মাদারবোর্ড নেই, আমরা ডেট মাদারবোর্ডে কাজ করতেছি।
We're doing the CPU jump wire right now.
আরেকটা কথা বলছি যে আমরা ডেট মাদারবোর্ডে কাজ করতেছি, এটা চালু করবো, ঠিক আছে, যাতে আপনারা অজুহাত দেখাতে না পারেন যে
So we're using the
भाई आपका सॉल्यूशन फिर
भैया स्क्रीन सामने दाঁড়াইয়ে না স্ক্রিনের সামনে বসে আপনারা 记一下嘛，像经常撬到 CPU 掉点掉线的，这种的话大家不知道怎么修复，毕业了跟大家讲这个。
So the hand skill is very important, and also important is you can find the wrong point. You need to find out what the real problem is. It's really important thing for repairing anything. So the CPU is like we got 3 different types, and in the top one is really easy to get damaged. So usually when we use the hot gun removing the CPU, and the temperature balance is not enough, you focus on the one way too much and make it damage. So you can see on the first side, always damage the first side, on the top. And the getting worse, you will usually damage the bottom. If damage the bottom, that's a serious question. If just damage the surface, it doesn't need a jump wire. So we just pull it out and use the soldering paste. And also make sure it's clean. Remove all the oil and the paint. Don't damage the GND. So you won't short cell cutter. and it's easier to get a soldering paste, soldering remote. Pretty easy. Use the hot gun.
这是表面它刚盘掉的，让它重新看一下第二个。
So now we check in the second one. Make it difficult.
প্রথমটা হয়ে গেছে, এবার আমরা সেকেন্ডটা দেখি।
Now we damage the second layer and needed to jump wire to fix it. So in this situation, we remove the paint and oil now. It's useless. We need to use this point. We use this point to do the jump wire. Does everybody can see it? It's the first layer. And now it's the second layer. Now removing is a GND. It doesn't influence, just keep it this way and use the PCB cleaner. The second layer, the point is in this one. And the third layer is pointing now. The third layer is the final layer. If we damage the second layer, we have to find the third layer to fix the problem. So once we get to the third layer, we can see the way to the second layer. So follow the splitter. It's very long. So all the GND that we're removing right now, it doesn't influence anything. So now everybody can see it's on a straight. It's a straight line, and once it got turned on, it turns to the other way. So now we see that the line is turned. So we need to check if this size GND is, if it's GND, we need to use the 3-second oil. So this sign we're pointing right now is OL. It doesn't connect to anywhere. So if we need a jump wire, it's super easy. We remove the pin first. So the useful point is the pointing right now, yeah. So if we jump wire right now, it will shortcut later. We can dip the other side. Be careful, don't damage the others. So we need to practicing all the time to exercise our hand skills. Make sure your hand is stable. In China, we usually doing this kind of jump wire. We can earn 1,000 RMB. Means times 8 times 18 is your money. Thousand RMB for the jump wire in China. We put a soldering paste on the top. Just a little one, little one. So make sure your hand is very stable. Don't use the flux right now. Make sure it's stable and we use the flux. So now we're using it. So now we can see the soldering paste is on the point right now.